Hello class 8, good morning. In chapter 4, operators, till now we have studied operators, operand, arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operators, expression and condition. All these things already we have discussed. Today we are going to start what is the assignment operator. Look here, the single equal to sign, not the double. The single equal to sign is known as assignment operator of Java. What does it do? It is used to assign a value or an expression to a variable. So the equal to operator is known as assignment operator of Java. It is used to assign a value or an expression to a variable. No other word, it just assigns the value. Its syntax is data type, variable name, equal to either any value or an expression, semicolon. What is syntax? Once again, first data type, variable name, equal to sign, value or an expression and semicolon. Now let us see the example. Like int is the data type, space, n is the variable name, assignment operator equal to, value is 50, semicolon. So this 50 is assigned to n. Value of n is 50. So 50 is assigned to n. So it happens because of this equal to sign, that is the assignment operator. Second example, double, data type double, variable name si, simple interest, equal to p into r into t, p has r into t divided by 100. So this is the formula of simple interest. So this full expression is assigned to si. Alright, this full expression is assigned to si. Last example, string sn for school name, So data type is string, variable name sn, equal to Don Bosco Academy. So this Don Bosco Academy must be within the double quote. Why double quote? Because it is a string literal. Literal I have taught you. Literal is a set of characters enclosed within a double quote. So it is a string literal. So this value will be Don Bosco Academy will be within the double quote. Okay. So string sn, school name. So this was assignment operator. Now we have the double equal to sign, which is called relational operator of Java. What is called this? This is called relational operator of Java. Okay, the two equal to sign. See, the double equal to, also known as comparison operator. It is used to compare whether two values are same or not. If they are same, output comes true. If they are not same, output comes false. If they are both are same, equal, output comes true. If they are not equal, output comes false. So the double equal to, that is called relational operator, also known as comparison operator, is used to find out whether two values involved are same or not. For example, 5 equal to 5. You see, this 5 is not assigned to any variable. Just by comparing whether both are equal or not. In this case, both are equal, so output will be true. Second one, a equal to b. The value of a is compared with the value of b. Value of a is compared to the value of b. If both are same, both the values are same, output will come true, otherwise it will come false. So just now what we have learned, what is the assignment operator? The single equal to is called assignment operator. It is used to assign values or expression to a variable, and double equal to, which is relational operator, and it is also called comparison operator. It is used to compare whether two values are equal or not. And sometimes the question is asked, what is the difference between this equal to and this equal to? So what will be the first difference? The first difference will be the single equal to is an assignment operator of Java, and the double equal to is an relational operator of Java. Second difference, it is used to assign a value or expression to a variable. Here second difference, it is used to compare whether the two values involved are same or not. Now the next topic is operator precedence. Now see, to evaluate the mathematical expression, arithmetical expression in math, we have the BODMAS rule. We follow the BODMAS rule. But in computer doesn't follow, Java doesn't follow the BODMAS. It has got its own operator precedence. So what is operator precedence? Operator precedence defines the order in which different operators will be solved. The order in which, like BODMAS is used in arithmetic in math, the same way it has got its own order to evaluate the expression, to solve the mathematical expression. First, in Java, we always solve the asterisk for multiplication, slash for division, and this modulus operator for the remainder before plus and minus. Suppose in a mathematical expression, if you have got asterisk, slash and plus and minus, then first asterisk or slash will be solved before the plus and minus. So this is the first rule. Once again, so in one mathematical expression, if you have multiplication also and addition also, the first which will be evaluated first? Solve first multiplication. Second rule, between asterisk means multiplication, slash means division, and remainder modulus operator, whichever is first is solved first. That means this three operator has got the same priority. Same priority means whichever comes left side, whichever comes first, that will be solved first out of these three. Okay. Now third rule is thereafter between plus and minus, between addition and subtraction, whichever is first is solved first. Suppose you have got a plus b or a minus b first, left side. So whichever is the left side, that is solved first. Last rule, brackets are solved before anything as in maths. Above all, first will be solved brackets, then will be solved asterisk, slash or modulus, and at last will be solved plus and minus. So these are the operator precedence. So today what we have learned? Today we have learned assignment operator, relational operator equal to, and operator precedence. In the next class we will do some mathematical problems using the operator precedence. Thank you.